Hey everybody, welcome to Cruise Chatter. I just want to reiterate that the Jubilee just says after floating out and touching water for the first time, the Carnival Jubilee has received her iconic red, white, and blue winged funnel. You know, like every other Carnival ship has, giving her that a classic Carnival look that has adorned every ship since the Tropical. A long time ago, that back from the early 80s. I think I've been on that ship. I used to cruise Carnival back in the 80s and 90s, so I think I've been on it. Don't quite sure, I don't quite remember, but something like that. This brings the ship one step closer to her debut and marks the ongoing construction of her finishing details on the Jubilee. So, the winged funnel designed in the early 1980s by Carnival Cruise Lines designer Joe Farkas was lifted into place in Carnival Jubilee this past Tuesday. So at least it's going on, it's getting added to it, and the addition took place as the ship is now docked alongside the outfitting pier at Meyerwerth in Papenburg, Germany, back in July 21st. That's when the Carnival Jubilee was first flown out and entered the next phase of her construction. So at that time, it was revealed that the ship also sports a Texas star on her bow, first in fleet distinction for Carnival line. Finishing construction now continues aboard the Carnival Jubilee as the ship prepares for her first sea trials. So, predicted to happen in August, those tests will thoroughly examine all the ship's technical operational systems, including propulsion, navigation, maneuvering, and safety features, which is a great thing to do. In the meantime, the Bolt roller coaster is being installed around the iconic funnel, and the other details are being completed, such as decking, painting, exterior awnings, and interior design. New features aboard the Jubilee will be Jubilee is a fun and festive celebration, and guests will certainly find a lot to celebrate aboard the Carnival Jubilee when she sets sails on this December 2023, offering a 7-night Western Caribbean itineraries with as many as 5,400 guests on board, double occupancy, or up to 6,600 travelers when fully booked. The 184 gross ton ship will be home to Chief Culinary Officer Emerald Lagasse, third restaurant at sea, Emerald Bistro 717. Joining the special Emerald restaurants already found on Carnival Jubilee, XL class sister ships Mardi Gras and Carnival Celebration. More to manja, you know. So 2 new immersive zones have also been designed exclusively for the Carnival Jubilee, which are currents and shores. New things happening here. Popular favorite venues also return aboard the Carnival Jubilee, including delicious dining like Rudy's Sea Grill and Cucina del Capitano, Guy's Burger Joint, Guy's Pig, and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, and Shaquille O'Neal's Big Chicken Restaurant. The Carnival Seaside Theater will showcase blockbuster movies. The 2-story Jubilee Theater will offer spectacular production shows, like every other show that they do, and the expensive Serenity area will be a calm and relaxing adults-only retreat, along with much more. So, the classic whale-tail winged funnel has been an instantly recognizable feature of every Carnival cruise ship since the line first new build Tropical joined the fleet in 1982. Nice. The 3 earlier ships that began the cruise line, the Mardi Gras, the Carnival, and the Festival, which I think I've been on back then, long time ago, purchased from other cruise lines and did not have the winged funnel. Their straight funnels still sported the red, white, and blue coloration. So that's a good thing to have. Today, only one ship in the Carnival fleet temporarily lacks the funnel. The Carnival Freedom's funnel was damaged during a fire while the ship was docked in Grand Turk back in May 2022. I remember that vividly. The damage was repaired but for now the ship has a straight funnel reminiscent of those of the earlier Carnival ships, like in Costa. A new well tail will likely be installed when the ship enters the next dry dock. So coming up for Jubilee will be sea trials, and then the final fittings and everything they need to take care of. The funnel, it's on. They're working on the roller coaster, finishing the last finishing touches that they need to do for the decoration and all that good stuff. I'm assuming the crew that they're bringing in, all the training and everything else that they need to get ready for this first sailing, December 23rd, 2023. So, which I believe it will be out of Galveston. So, once the ship gets set, it will be in Galveston. That's why no wonder the new construction on the Royal Caribbean area in Galveston Port got taken care of, and it was the ocean was dragged out and everything just to make room for that big ship to come in and be able to park there. So looking forward to it. I know JNS and Cheryl will be very happy to have the ship on in their background of their house. They get to look at it more than a bunch of all of us. So we'll see. I'm going back to Carnival coming up in October with the Carnival Glory. We're gonna go on our first booze cruise, me and Alice, and we're gonna meet a bunch of creators coming up in New Orleans, October 29, 2023. So see you guys in New Orleans. See you guys soon. And as soon as I hear more news about the Jubilee, I'll bring it over to ya. So to keep you updated. Everybody have a great day. Stay out of trouble. Don't get in any trouble. Ain't got no money for bail. So until next time, everybody have a blessed and great day. See ya.